If you love games, stories, and getting creative, guess what? Maths can be all that and more. Let's see what surprises are waiting just for you. Imagine a class where numbers come alive, songs make you smarter, and crafts turn into clever puzzles. That's what our Maths Foundation Class 1 for Olympiads course is all about. Each lesson is like opening a new treasure chest. First, you'll learn about feelings and friendships, because math is even better with friends. Then, we dive into words and stories to grow your imagination. Of course, there's math, but it's not just numbers on a page. It's games, challenges, and cool tricks you can show your family. Want to make science experiments? We've got those. Love to sing and dance? There's a lesson for that. Ever tried painting or acting out a story? You'll do that too. And guess what? Every craft, song, and activity helps you become a math whiz without you even noticing. You'll stretch your mind, move your body, and build confidence every step of the way. So if you're ready to laugh, play, and become a math superstar, join us on this amazing adventure. Maths Foundation Class 1 for Olympiads, where learning feels just like play. Are you in? Let's get started!